Hola, assalamu alaikum, bonjour, good day everyone. Welcome to Simtai GreatCity Machinery Company. I'm standing right now in our factory in north of China. We are a manufacturer of the steel rebar bending machine. Today I'm very pleased to show you our R series model. Here behind me we have an R6 model, which is very useful in the building and construction industries. This machine can produce 150 shapes and angles, also arc as you want, because its control is computerized and also it's easy to manipulate this machine. With a single process wire, we can use a steel with 5 to 10 mm as a diameter, and in the double process you can use with 5 to 8 mm diameter. In the following, we are going to show you how to use this machine properly. As it is an electric machine, it can use as 380 voltage and also a power with 21 kilowatts. I hope that this video can help you to understand how to use this machine. Let's save time, and I hope that you're going to enjoy this video. Thank you for watching it. As it is an electric rebar bending machine, the R6 presents some elements within the machine itself. Here at the back of the machine there is the electric installation, which is very useful, and also the air compressor, which is already included into the machine. Once the machine turns on, there are some parts that you have to understand. The first part is for the motor that controls the feeding parts when the steel rod will come to the machine. Deeper inside there is a screw that adjusts to thread and straighten the steel rod. This part is for cutting and shaping the steel rod as the shape you want, because it controls the shape and cut also the steel. The last part that you have to pay attention is with this orange tube that control also the plate reinforcement. All this part within the machine has to be considered when you use the machine and when you proceed to cut and bend the steel wire rods. Thank you for watching it. everyone, welcome to GreatCity Machinery Company. The second model I'm going to introduce you today is the R8 electric rebar bending machine. This machine is bigger than the R6 because we can use a single process wire with a 5 to 12 millimeter, and in the double process we use 5 to 10 millimeter. Also, I can tell you that the rotating equipment can make different shapes with the steel rod. It can go down and up and form any different arc and angle that you want. Compared with the R6, it can make more than 2,000 different shapes, angle and arc. So if you want to know about the system, it's similar like the R6, but the system is a little bit different and more flexible. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that this video can help you to understand how the R8 is different than the R6. Thank you. With the R8, the electric installation is a little bit different than the previous model, which is the R6. This first part is the electric installation. As you can see, a little bit different, but a little bit similar also. This with an orange tube is for controlling the plate reinforcement. In this part is also the cutting and the shaping the steel rods. And the last part compared with the R6 is the fitting part. That machine will control the fitting of the steel rods. And the last part is the air compressor. As you can see, there is no big difference between the two machines, but as I can say, the R8 presents more flexibility in using and straightening the steel rod.